Hey Queens, welcome back to another exciting video on nails. Greetings of the day depending on your time and location. You're hard welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Guys, today's video is exceptional. If today is your first time coming across any of my videos, or you have been watching my videos but you have not subscribed, why not join us today? Okay, please do hit the subscribe button. Remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our subscribing videos. Thank you so much as to join us. To you, my returning viewers, you guys have been so supportive. Thank you for always encouraging us in this channel by liking and engaging on our videos. We do not take for granted. We love each and every one of you, and please keep supporting us by watching and engaging on our videos, okay, on each time we upload. Thank you so much. Guys, today is a beautiful compilation of gorgeous acrylic nails ideas. Yes, medium-sized nail art designs for you, my pretty queens. Watching this video, you're gonna be discovering those amazing nail art designs that will keep you elevated. Yes, these are gorgeous designs, so please watch to the end in order not to miss a single slide. For all the slides are mind-blowing, like you definitely love them all, and you can rock any of these nails to any occasion, like birthday parties, wedding, child education. I mean, you can even rock it to vacations and you'll be looking all good and beautiful. So please watch our video to the end, okay? Select your favorite slide and also share to your family and friends, okay? Thank you so much, my ladies. As you watch our video, do like, comment and share. We wait for your lovely comment section. Just tell us we will be trying any of these nails. Let us know in the comment section as we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye.